Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll guide you through setting up a secure V2Ray connection using the HTTP custom app. This simple setup will help you enjoy enhanced online privacy and safer browsing. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store and search for the HTTP custom app. Download and install it on your device. Next, you'll need to create a V2Ray account. Open Chrome or any reliable browser and search for UDP Custom. Select the official UDP Custom website. Tap the menu button and choose the V2Ray Servers option, then select Free V2Ray Servers. Enter a username and complete the I'm Not a Robot CAPTCHA verification. Tap Create V2Ray Server to generate your server. You'll see a list of configurations. Choose the V2Ray config option that best fits your needs. Tap Copy to automatically copy your preferred V2Ray account details. Now, launch the HTTP custom app. Enable the V2Ray feature by ticking the box next to it. Tap the settings icon at the top to access more options. From the menu, select V2Ray Settings. Tap the Paste button in the upper right corner to import your copied V2Ray account details into the app. You can tap the Edit button to adjust settings, such as updating the host field with a valid server name indication, SNI, for your country. Once everything is set, head back to the main screen and tap the Connect button to start your secure connection. And that's it. You're now connected to the internet with enhanced security and privacy using HTTP, Custom, and V2Ray. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more useful tutorials, and join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.